Okay.
Wait, did you get the computers in the shot?
I don't know.
Never mind. Okay, this is...
Take 3 of the apology blog.
Yes, we wanted to apologize for the epic fail that was our first, pilot episode.
Our first pilot episode kind of sucked.
It was like, it was the alpha. We were testing it. It wasn't even in beta yet.
It sucked.
Yeah. Let's just go with that.
Major suckage.
Like...
Really
like
bad.
Like a vacuum. Or a black... Well, black holes don't really suck.
Well...
Well, you can't really say that gravity doesn't suck. It just attracts objects toward...
This isn't the Learning Channel.
Well, yeah, but...
Okay. No, this one has... No, this one's gonna be good, guys.
There's a hole. Ah! Jeez.
Brian has a hole in his pants.
Yeah. It's in my knee, because I'm on my knees too much.
I like how the... Never mind.
What? No, what were you gonna say? What? What, the geek who never gets laid is making all the sex jokes?
No, that's not even what I was thinking, but...
I was thinking that that's where you're gonna go with that, but whatever. It's because I think they're funny.
But he only makes the jokes because it's the furthest he'll ever get to it.
Ouch. True, but ouch. It's like walking up to a fat person saying, "Ha ha, you're fat." They can't deny it, but it still hurts. I'll take this time to remind you that Bridget is the, I don't know, the stereotypical teenage girl part of this blog, and therefore she apparently has 90% of the angst.
Okay.
And the mood swings, apparently, too. So why don't you talk a little bit? I'm talking a lot.
Good.
What?
I don't know.
Don't you have something useful to contribute?
I have hobbit feet, minus the fur.
You should get boots with fur, then.
Apple-bottom jeans, too.
I hate that song. I don't even know why I brought it up. It's not music, okay? You know what's music? Queen is music. Yeah. Yeah. Remember that band? Yeah, well, how about...
Ringtone battle?
It's not even a ringtone battle, it's more like a ringtone slaughter.
No. Off. My turn.
Okay. Yeah?
Oh, yeah? Hey, no, my turn. My turn.
You can't even hear that, I don't think.
No.
The ringtone to end all ringtones.
No.
I told you, this is not even music. They're just saying the same thing over and over and over.
No, okay, that's right. That song isn't music, and neither is Low, but they're funny.
I'll give you that much.
Okay. Ringtone battle's over.
Okay. I declare myself the winner. Well, it's only us.
Just go make me a sandwich. I have to pee.
011011110 011011111.
How much longer do we have?
Not long enough.
I have to pee.
And yet altogether too long. YouTube! People watching!
Pee!
Pull. Watching.
If I laugh too hard,
I'd suggest you go.
I'm gonna go. Where there's